Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one. Next, you will navigate to Organize and find Fix and Manage. Oh, nope, never mind. Sorry for misleading. Scroll down and we're going to select Manage SIM. There we go. Now, once you select the Manage SIM option, it will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card right over here. And you can see they are all deselected and also grayed out. For me, that's because all of these exist on the Google account that the device defaults to. That is only if you have a Google account signed in. And even if I try to enable it, you can see contact already exists in your list. So the device is stopping me from creating duplicate contacts. Now, if I were to tap on the drop-down menu, I can choose to import them to the device. And this automatically allows me to import all of them, as there is not a single contact on the phone itself. All of them are located on the Google account. So from here, I can also deselect ones that I don't want. And when pressing import, it brings up this stupid pop-up asking you if you want to delete the contacts from your SIM card. Hell no. The reason you don't want to remove them is because they never get in your way, and they are on the SIM card as a backup if something would ever happen that you needed them. So I recommend keeping them. It's just a really nice way to just have a backup in any kind of case. So make sure you select keep. And when we go back to our contacts list with the contacts already being imported, you can now change where the contacts are being displayed from. Right over here, where you can see I have the Google account. If you tap on the drop down, I can choose to display contacts from every place, from the Google account, or oh, there we go. We have also the device right here. So I want to point that out. Depending on like the update of the contacts, you might have the option to change the display location either here, or it looks like on this device it's in both places at the same time. In any case, from here you can see we have Google account, which is selected by default. I can choose to show the device's contacts or also the SIM card ones. That's completely up to me. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.